I share screen. Why did you join? Let me walk you through how to view your sites.
You disabled the sharing of screen option.
Okay. Can you share now?
Yes. Done.
Okay, so all right, so your file were not properly named. Rename it. No, not the folder. No. Right click on the file name. Easy. The first file name. Right click on it. Rename. Lowercase. HTML is lowercase.
Okay, lowercase.
Use of blank as well. That name you say might be still 40. That once you created the first file. I can't see Linux there and the person yet. What else within them? Are they stuck?
You can see my screen, right?
Yes. Okay. So you got it right. So
yeah.
Let me go back to my screen then. Hold on. Okay, you did catch your screen. Princess, I've seen your screen also. You got it. So perfect one, guys. Let's go back to class. Admit. Okay, guys, let me can someone see my screen? No,
Okay, let me stop sharing.
I'm not sharing my screen yet. Let's go. Welcome back, Good News and Linus. Can you hear me now? Okay, so who is following us to do the task? First, if you watched the last class video, you're in last class. We created a folder called HTML. We created a file called intro. We didn't use subletters to create it. First thing first. All right. We came here that day and we created this folder and file. You remember that we then use Notepad to edit it and wrote a logo on the side of it. Now today we started with opening Sublime Text. When you open Sublime Text, you're going to see an empty window. All right. Now when you open empty window, go to File, Open Folder, look for that folder you created. When you look for it, click on it, then click on Select Folder. It will open this up for you. I'm doing this because I'm doing the recap for Linus and Good News. Are we together? So Good News, share a screen if you can. Linus, share a screen if you can. So if you have any difficulty, I can direct it properly because this class, putting your hands on as you're doing it helps you understand faster. If you follow the class back to back, you may not need the video. You may need to go back to the video after now. You can just go and with your note and your understanding push your task ahead. All right. Well, I will take the full screen and set up. Let me continue. So we've seen how tag works. So explanation. Those of you who have finished your tag H1 what do you notice? Let's start from Gachi. From it is 6 tags and you previewed it. What did you notice?
I noticed that the higher the number, the smaller the size of the word when you print on
the font.
The font, yes.
Princess, is that correct?
Yes.
maybe, so we notice the same thing, right? They had the number of the H1 or the H is smaller than the number the size of the font. That's because H1 is the highest heading. If you do Microsoft Word, there's what to call headings in Microsoft Word. That's where this concept is copied from. There's headings. There is heading 1, heading 2 to heading 6. All right. So they are used for different purposes: titles, subtitles, main title and section title. So it's used for indicating hierarchy in content. With that said, let's go back to the next concept. It's still on tags, so let's touch some new tags. So we've seen here H1 and H2 tags. There are other tags that you need to know to have it to be a comprehensive HTML person. There are numerous tags, but let's talk about paragraph tag. It is called P tag. All right. So to do a P tag is simple. Just do type P, do this, and then do under slash P. Is it? Then now to okay. Okay. Now do this lorem tab. That's magic, right? Type lorem, L-O-R-E-M, L-O-R-E-M. Press tab, not space, not enter, tab. It generate this for you. This is how you to generate content in web page on lack inspiration. So I'm going to copy this paragraph tag I just did with content inside of it. I'm going to paste it under itself. So if I zoom out, or let me keep it the way it is. I have a paragraph tag holding this entire text. I have another paragraph tag holding this entire text. If I go back to my browser and preview the outcome, you see? Now, you see that after each paragraph, there's a space before the next paragraph. As the word implies, the name implies, paragraph tag is used to create paragraph. If you want to write in paragraphs, use paragraph tags. All right? But beyond writing a paragraph, is generally used to express content. It's more, if your content is not going to be in H or in special format, just use paragraph tag to write it. Any question on that? Any confusion? Linus, how are you today? Let me narrow down. Linus, you've been too quiet in class. Linus, are you here? If you're talking on mute, Linus, I need to hear from you. I need to know you're in the class and you're following. Say with your good news. Good news, where are we? Say you're setting up what? Let me get where you are right now. Goodness, can you hear me?
Yes, for the sake of the class, I will speak later.
Goodness, what did you say? For the what?
I said for the sake of the class and our time, I know you know now, but I'll speak later.
Okay, speak later.
I'll speak later. Let's just
Okay.
do it.
Okay. What's the challenge? What's the challenge?
It's just taking my folder and all of that. So you have to start with it.
Okay. I've asked you if you watch the last class video
I
and
did
watch this.
see it. I was looking for the
The link
yeah.
is on.
I did I'll check it later. So
All
that
right.
will not
Okay. I'm going to create on that channel on Slack and I'll call it resources. Everything about link will be in that files I'm sharing will be in that resources. All right. So anytime class finishes, go to resources channel. You see the link for the class. Linus, how about you? What challenge? Hello, Linus, can you hear me? Princess, press tab. I've shown you tab before, haven't I? On some keyboards, it's written tab. On some, it is written, it is arrow facing up and facing left and right. Perfect. But you need to undo what you did. Let me stop you from having a potential error. Princess, if you're doing a tag, make sure your tag is closed, complete before you start putting content inside of it. So Control Z, Princess. Kachi, when you're done,
Yeah.
are you done?
Done with which of them?
The P tag I just illustrated.
I can do the P tag, but that lorem, I've forgotten how I got it.
Princess, wipe the lorem and complete the P tag, please. Because if you don't, you enter error. Okay, Kachi, let me ask you a question. I will take it again. I'm going to control everything. You see, number one, this is important. When you're doing a tag, make sure your tag is complete before you start putting content. You know, you forget to put this and you mess up your work, trust me. If you type lorem, press tab. Did it work for you, Kachi?
Yeah.
All right, so if you narrate this, so Princess, when you type lorem, press tab. Princess, are you with me?
Yes.
That lorem you just type now, remove the M, put the M again, press tab. Thank you. Sometimes it's as it's hard to follow, so you don't forget. So now copy the first one you did, like I did. When you copy it, go down, paste it under itself. All right, copy the first one, then come down and paste it.
From the P tag or from lorem, where?
From the P tag, the entire P tag, the P to a P. Copy like this. Follow. Look at my cursor. Copy from here to here, from the entire P, and paste under itself. Actually, do the same thing. If you've not done the same thing.
Can I share my screen? Let you see what I've done.
Yeah,
Because my lorem is not having a P tag. Okay.
Princess, paste to paste.
Paste here that my arrow is.
Press enter twice and paste.
So, see, like, once I just type lorem, come like this, no P tag.
That because you did it outside P tag. What? Control Z.
Okay.
Control Z. All that you do.
Done. I've done it. I've understood what you're saying. It's okay now.
The old one is still there. Remove them.
See?
The old one, the mistake you made was still there. The previous one.
Okay.
Also, I repeat that the empty P tag I didn't use. Wipe it.
Okay.
And then copy this one and paste on itself. So, all right, we're on track, guys. Let's continue.
How many times should I copy? Just once?
Just one. I don't need 2 instances to explain what I'm explaining.
Okay.
All right, if you can see my screen, they appear in paragraph because each one is a paragraph. So anything enclosed in the piece that is seen as a paragraph. Any question on that? We already know paragraphs in real life. When you type on desktop, when you type on Microsoft Word and everything, you already know what that is. So that's it. So I'll show you how to do tags. All right. I'm going to show you how to do more tags. Let's talk about links, then images. Then I'll give you assignment for the day to go and find out the rest tags. The assignment is you go and search 100 HTML tags and I use it. So, but when I'm done, I put it on Slack. So let's go. Let's talk about, we've done headings, we've done paragraph. Let's go to link. All right. Now, link tag is called anchor tag. In fact, let me start calling it link tag. Anchor tag. It is short, popularly known as a tag. How does it look? From our past experience, if I get to do an a tag now, some people start by doing this. Well, it shows you're learning, and you're right. But unfortunately, okay, no, sorry, don't mind me. A tag is normal. It's not an hidden. It behaves normal. All right. I almost thought I was mistake for image tag. So let me, this a tag. This is what? A tag. There's no two ways to do it, but just that it's not complete. Let me explain that. Watch my screen. I'm going to save this, and I've saved it too. Now, if I go to my browser and refresh that screen, you see Facebook written here, but it's just a text. It's just what? A text. Now, to make it a link, let me explain before I continue. What is a tag used for? For creating links. Sorry, my Zoom is covering my.
So, please, are you still sharing your screen?
Yeah. Am I not?
No,
I'm seeing Linus Ebuka.
Let me share your screen. Okay, line is setting up. Catch, if I see line, you need to look for my screen and share my screen. That's the problem. You need to look for my screen. Unfortunately, you can't see my screen, but share. You can see line, you can see my screen, right?
I can see Linus, but I can't see your screen.
I will stop and share sharing. Maybe you do a web works. The latest person takes the screen for web. After I believe get Zoom desktop. Can you see my screen now?
Okay, I can see your screen now.
Okay, so link a tag is used for creating web links. I don't know if you knows what a link is on web. You know, but you don't know it's a link. You will know anyway. So when you say all the links they send to your WhatsApp to click, those are links. All right. So we're learning how to create a link today now. So this is an A tag, but it's not clickable because I have not completed the requirements to make it clickable. To do that, let me introduce what we call attributes to you. What are attributes? Attributes are properties of a tag that is used to help the tag to define the tag and format it properly, or not to give the tag more functionalities, let me put it that way, or to describe the tag more. Let me explain that. Attribute. Let me just create one for you. Now this is an A tag. To create an attribute, to add an attribute to a tag, you have to go inside the opening tag. Remember I told that this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. So inside the opening tag, inside means, let me zoom in. Inside means before this greater than sign. So go here, press space. See, this space are created. You do your attributes. Take note, it's not here, it's inside here. Now that's an attribute in first. There's an attribute in a tag called href. Now how the attribute created? If that attribute name, it needs to equal to and quote, and you put the attribute value. Let me explain that. Attribute name equal to and quote. This is the name of the attribute. This is the value. The value stays inside the quote. So the attribute is called href. The value is the link that I want to link it to. So what it is? Facebook.com. All right. Now, I made a mistake. So look at what I just did now. All right, I've added an attribute called href, and the value which is inside the quote is a link to Facebook. If I copy this link outside the first, let's just copy it outside and put it in my browser. You can see that it leads to Facebook normally. No argument about that. All right, so let me close it and go back to my code. Now, if I go back to my code, this Facebook I have here is not clickable. If I refresh my code now, it now has an underline under it and it's not coloring blue, meaning that it is clickable. If I click on it, this whole page will go to Facebook. Are we there?
Yes.
All right. Let me go back. Sorry, when I got to Facebook, that news I'm seeing caught my attention. I got lost for 2 seconds. So let's create it together. So here's my screen. Remember how I did it? I started by typing a tag. All right, and then I close the tag. Then I came inside. So first I wrote the label. The label is Facebook. Then I came here. I wrote href equal to quote. I now put whatever I'm putting inside the quote. Don't forget the steps. When you're done, I see what you've done. I will explain label and link, and then we'll see if we can pick up more assignment from there. No, it's 4 to 6 class. So by 5:50, I'll give my assignment. Any progress? If you're having issue with who is this person? Princess. Go, Princess, let me help your life. Go back. Why that thing you're saying there? I know what they're going through. Go to click on view. I see that at top of your Sublime text. No, on Sublime text. You're seeing file, edit, selection, find, and view. Click on view. Scroll down to it's already wrapped now. So why is the screen looking like it's long? It's too long to comprehend what you're doing. I want to do word wrap for you. Go don't worry, click outside here to disappear. Or just click it again. What's happening to your screen? Why is everything? Is it because maximize? Let me see.
I minimized it.
Even at that, it's supposed to minimize alongside.
I don't maximize them all.
Mine will minimize alongside anyway. All right, so continue your thing. You can minimize again, but I don't want you disturbed. Kachi? Okay.
Yeah.
Alpha, where are we?
I've shared my screen with you.
Remove the last slash at the end. No, at the other data.com. Remove the web.facebook.com. No, I didn't say web.facebook.com. Are you lazy to type? You copy it from Facebook. See, let me correct you. Don't copy and paste. Type that code manually because you need it in real life. HTTP. I didn't put S in my own. You want to put S in your own. http://facebook.com.
Done.
So, okay, so save and check your work on the browser. Okay, so click on it, of Facebook, right? So, Princess, I see my screen, right? Yes, you are. Okay, so
yes, I am.
All right, so we don't have to create a link. We just created a link. It's marvelous how this is quite simple. All right. There's no other way to create a link than this one. If you want to put it another way, it's lying. All the link is on Facebook, you see online, on any web page. This is created using a tag. All right. Now, in between your tag, type Facebook. So while Princess is trying to accomplish her task, which I believe she's almost done, let's pick up one more thing to do. I want to show you something. Okay, let me show you one tag that will now a closing tag for the sake of learning. But I don't want to show you today because I want to show it under media, on side media. But for the sake of learning, let me just show you one tag. And that's a tag that does not have a closing tag. That tag is, there are many tags like that. All right. Let's talk about, no, I can't do this today. Let me focus. That temptation. All right, let's talk about lists. Lists. All right. Lists. So what I mean by lists? When you write lists in real life, lists are either itemized by numbering or you use bullet points. Who kind of understand what I mean? You know, if you're writing a list in real life, list 1, list 2, item 1, item 2, item 3. There are some lists you also write. You don't put numbers. You just put bullet points. You know, or asterisk if you're using pen. So how are those lists created on the web page? Let's go. So before I continue with lists, pardon me, let me show you what to call comments. All right, because I want to make comment on my code. What are comments? Comments are a piece of code that the computer is not supposed to read. It is meant to it is designed to leave a note to humans using the code. All right. So in HTML, to make a comment, you use this. It's like a tag also, but not like a normal tag, you know. It is this. I'll repeat. This is opening comment tag. To close the comment tag, you do this. It looks complex, right? But the good news is that you don't have to cram the comment code, comment tag. There's a shortcut for it. If you hold your control on your keyboard and press slash, it will come out. Control // slash, this is slash. This thing that you use to complete your tag is also slash. So if you hold control and say control slash, you now have a comment. So let me make a comment here. Lists. All right. Under list, I'll make other comments. Code ordered. Sorry, on other list. All right, let's go. So now we're on lists. To create a list on your web page, there's a tag we call U tag. Sorry, UL tag. Let me write it on my notepad. Sorry, of you who are writing. After this meeting, we'll join again. If it doesn't work, we'll depend on process. So UL tag, right? Now, so let me, sorry, on ordered lists, UL. All right, so let's go. If you get UL tag, you're going to need to close it. Don't forget to close the tag before you continue doing anything. Any tag you close, you do close it first. If you don't close it, you are introducing error to your code. And when the error happens, you bear it. Trust me, to debug code can be stressful, but don't be scared of debugging code. If I look at your code, I can tell you what error is in your code at a glance. But you take hours to figure out. So always avoid errors. There are issues I will run into at my level to think how to figure out. In fact, I actually you run into 3 days to figure out. In fact, I've run into issues that I didn't figure out in 3 months. It's life. All right. So UL now to UL tag does not function alone. It needs the help of other tag to function. And that other tag is called LI tag, list tag. Now, list tag LI. List tag is LI. All right. Don't forget to close the tag before you continue doing anything. With that said, now let's say I want to make a list of people in this class. I'll start with Kachi. Now I'll come down, I'll do another list. I'll go to good news. Then I'll got another list. Sorry, forgive my, yeah, so I'll say princess. And then one more list. Linus. I just saved the code. Now, if I go to my browser and refresh, I'm seeing items itemized in bullet points. Can we see that?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's experiment something. Let me remove the UL and save again. I refresh. The bullet is still there, but it's not is hitting the edge. So to format your list properly, you need a UL tag actually. Because a list is not supposed to be on the same line with your paragraph. It's supposed to be inside a little bit. All right. So that works. Now, let me before you write code, I want to exhaust this time teaching. I want to connect again. You write it here. Let me do the same thing using another kind of tag. Let me do another one called ordered list, which is OL tag. OL I'm going to do the same list using OL. All right. But let me copy these guys and paste here. Save. If I refresh this list, I see the same list down. Are we there?
Yes.
But this list has numbers. Now this one don't have numbers. Both of them are lists, but this on order. This one have no hierarchy. So I have hierarchy. Now these bullets, you can format the kind of bullet you want. By default, the value, usually, so we've learned attribute already. So on you can pass an attribute called type. The value by default is disk. That's why I assume where it is. If you change the value from this to square, this changes to square. If you zoom in closely, this is not a square. Before now, it was a circle. But now it's a square. So by default is this circular version. You can change the type to anything you want, but there are not many. But let's see how many. Let's see how many types. Let me try GPT. Okay. UL tag. How many type can be? How many type is available for UL tag? All right. We have this circle, square. Okay, it's just 3. Next is circle. If I put circle here, and you see the outcome. I see that. Hello. Okay. So yeah. So now the same thing can be applied to OL. The whole types of list now by default is numeric. Let's format it more. Type equal to, let's say, A. It becomes an alphabet. If you use uppercase A, because uppercase alphabet. Let's say uppercase and type equal to I, it becomes Roman numeral. Uppercase I, uppercase Roman numeral. Any question? By default, it is type equal to, am I correct? If you don't put anything, default is number. You can put A, I, or I, depending on what you want to achieve. Let me keep it like this for now. Any question with this about this? None. Okay. Because there's none, write your code. Let me make a comment. Remember to get a comment, you use Ctrl/. Don't type comment manually. It doesn't, no need for that. Then after a while, I want to explain to you. If you watch my code, you see I'm arranging my code. Some tags are at this end, some are at this end. After writing this code, I will explain to you what that means and why you must do it like that. If you don't do that, you suffer.
Can I share my screen?
Go ahead. But we don't have time. In 1 minute, the meeting will end. No worry. In the next meeting, you share.
So you see what I've done. So see what I've done.
Guys, this meeting ends now. Once it ends, click it, join again. All right?
Okay. So can you see what I've done?
Checking. Okay. It looks perfect to my eyes. Now, put on your brother and see.